Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Goodness. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious pap from scratch. You understand? This is a fermented food and I'm sure you're going to love it. Just stick to this video as I proceed. Here I have my guinea corn, the red guinea corn. I'm going to be combining it with yellow corn. But first of all, I have to pick it. This thing comes with dirt. So I have to pick it, remove all the stones, all the dirt, all the debris, things that are not wanted in your pap. Okay? After that, I started picking the yellow corn. Look at the spoiled corn. I don't like adding it. I have to separate it completely before I now combine them and soak it for some days. In this production, I'm going to soak mine for just 3 days, okay? So to make it very soft and for it to ferment. Now, watch. This is the next day. It has stayed overnight, so here I'm going to be washing it thoroughly 2 times. I will wash it, sieve out all the dirty water, remove any stone under the bottom, in the bottom. By the time I'm done washing it for today, I will soak it again the same way I soaked it the other day, and I will leave it again for another 24 hours before washing it again. So this is the second day washing, and I just have to repeat the process which we have done before. You have to change the water, wash it twice thoroughly, then you soak it again for the 3rd time. At this stage, I want to share with you some important things about fermented pap which you may not know. So number one is digestion. Fermented pap is easily digested in our body. It's not the type of food you eat and you start having some stomach problem and difficult to digest, thereby leading to constipation. Nothing like that. Aside that, fermented pap boosts our immune system because during that fermentation process, there are bacteria, good bacteria, that work on that fermented food. They work on the fermentation. They are the things, they are like vehicle that carries out the fermentation. So these bacteria, such as lactic acid bacteria and yeast, they are good to our body system. They are good bacteria. So when you consume this pap, you are also consuming these bacteria, and they will go inside your body system and balance up the bacteria, the flora in your body, thereby reducing the chances of other bad bacteria in your body, reducing their effectiveness that leads to disease and health problems. Aside this, the fermentation process of pap helps to detoxify the anti-nutrients, some toxic compounds found in raw food. So this fermentation helps to detoxify them, making it a healthier option for you. Okay? And that is why it's very nice for a newborn baby. That is after 6 months, because I encourage exclusive breastfeeding. That is by the way. So, aside this fermented pap is an ideal meal for post-surgery patients. For people that have surgery, they drink it because of the healthiness of this meal. This meal is also good for people who cannot swallow, like people that have dysphagia. Dysphagia is a condition whereby someone is having difficulty in swallowing, eating solid food. You can make this pap and give to that person, and the person will easily swallow it after you have added milk and all that. Thereby, the person will have balanced diet. Can you see? Pap is a very important African meal. I encourage every home to produce pap and consume it. And I want to say this, when you want to make your pap, it's ideal you combine it with at least one other cereal. Like as I'm using sorghum here with yellow corn. Can't you see, combining these two cereal will help you to get more nutrients. It will make your pap to be nutrient dense instead of using only one type of cereal. Like I know some people use only yellow corn, some people will use only sorghum. They are all nice, but I'm talking of nutritional aspect of it. When you combine the two, there are some things you will not get in the other cereal. You will be able to get it from the other one. So that's why it's good to combine it. And you can see I added ginger to this. Ginger is a prebiotic plant that has a lot of health benefits also. So that is why I added it. Though I'm not going to be talking much about it. Please, if you are a new viewer, I encourage you to hit the like button, drop a good comment on this video, subscribe and click the notification button for more updates so that it will encourage me to do more videos. Here, I've boiled hot water and made the pap. Look at it, it's gelled up and ready to be served. Of course, in Nigeria, we drink our pap with milk and sugar. This has been our method of drinking pap, except if one has a health condition where sugar is restricted or milk. But on normal day, milk and sugar are good to be used in your pap as it brings out its taste and sweetness. Here I'm pairing it with akara and bread.